Let's make an easy and quick recipe, bibimbap rice. Madali lang itong lutuin mga ka-fit moms. Just a few ingredients at meron ka ng perfect bibimbap rice Korean style. First step, magsaing muna tayo ng ating kanin. Just wash the rice, then let's cook it. And let's prepare the other ingredients like itong luncheon meat, slice natin into cubes. Then, i-dissolve na natin itong panchol bibimbap rice mix na made with real meat and vegetable bits. Dissolve in water, then add into your cooked rice. At i-add na rin natin itong slice natin na mga luncheon meat. Mix it. Allow the rice mix to cook for a few seconds, then mag-add tayo ng isang egg and mix it with the cooked rice. At in a few seconds, meron na tayong delicious and flavorful bibimbap rice Korean style. So mga ka-fit moms, itry nyo na rin to and follow Taste Talk for more easy recipe.